We already know that nouns are the names of people, places, things, and events. Now, let's learn how to identify singular and plural nouns. Singular nouns are nouns that are just one in quantity. One donut is singular. One dog is singular. One person is singular. One book, one bird, one pencil, one cookie. Anything that is just one in quantity is singular. But what if there are more than one? Nouns that are two or more are called plural nouns. 2 donuts are plural, also 3, 4, 5, and 6 donuts. 2 or more dogs are plural. 2 or more people are plural. 2 or more books, pencils, and cookies are all plural. Simple, yes? One is singular, more than one is plural. It's quiz time! Tell us if the picture is singular or plural. A glass of water. 2 cats. 5 fingers. 1 building. 3 pencils. 6 coconuts. 7 notebooks. 10 bottles. 1 teddy bear. 2 hamburgers. Here are the answers. Singular, plural, plural, singular, plural, 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 singular, plural. Like this video and click the subscribe and bell buttons below for more TPK Learning videos. If you have any thoughts about today's topic, leave us a comment below.